Have you seen ads for the NanoKlean Magic Cloth and wondered if it actually works or if it's just another overhyped cleaning product? NanoKlean claims to use advanced nanofiber technology to remove dirt, smudges, fingerprints, and even light scratches using only water, no chemicals required. The company says the cloth works on mirrors, glass, stainless steel, car surfaces, phones, laptops, and more, while delivering a streak-free finish and reusable eco-friendly cleaning. According to the official website, the product is designed for homes, offices, and vehicles, promoting itself as a safer and more sustainable alternative to traditional cleaners. Many customers on the website report positive experiences, especially for cleaning windows, mirrors, kitchen appliances, and car surfaces. Some users say the cloth leaves surfaces shiny without lint or streaks, while others appreciate that it only requires water and can be reused multiple times. However, not every review is perfect. A few buyers mention that the cloth feels overpriced, works better on certain surfaces than others, or doesn't completely remove deeper scratches as advertised. Online discussions about similar nano-cleaning and scratch removal products are mixed. Some Reddit users say these products can help reduce the appearance of very light scratches, but many warn that heavy scratches usually require professional repair or polishing. Others believe some nano-cleaning marketing claims are exaggerated and should be viewed carefully before buying. Overall, NanoKlean appears to be a reusable cleaning cloth that may work well for everyday cleaning and polishing tasks, especially on glass and smooth surfaces. But buyers should keep realistic expectations, particularly regarding scratch removal claims. If you plan to buy it, research carefully, check customer feedback, and avoid expecting miracle results from a simple cleaning cloth.